Hello everybody, my name is Iaroslav Iakubivskyi. I'm a PhD student in the University of Tartu in Estonia, and we are developing an optical instrument for the Comet Interceptor mission. It's an upcoming mission of European Space Agency and Japanese Space Agency, which to be launched in 2029. We will study either a long period comet, a dynamically new comet, or an interstellar object. So the target is not known as of yet. There's a list of potential targets, but we will park in Lagrange point 2 and be waiting for our object to come. The instrument is a lightweight, small visible camera, which will be hosted on one of 3 spacecrafts. And in order to develop it and simulate the images which we're going to obtain, we also developed a simulator for the image generation, which you have seen right. An example of generated Itokawa surface images. So we use open source Blender and procedural texture generation to create such images and see what our instrument can do and what expected result it can show. Thanks.